Assalamu alaikum, मैं हूँ Mujahid from Naveed Game. Today we have Nintendo Switch Lite, the Lite version. In Nintendo Switch Lite we have the Animal Crossing edition. It's also available at Naveed Games. And today I'm going to unbox the yellow one, Nintendo Switch Lite, the yellow color. That's the Animal Crossing edition. Let's start the unboxing video. Okay. Okay, in the top layer we have the Nintendo Switch console. Okay, in the box we have the power adapter. That's the power adapter, type C key port, and we have a manual guide page. Okay, so ये रहा हमारी Nintendo Switch Lite, the yellow color. Okay, Nintendo Switch Lite is the second version of Switch console, announced on 10 July 2019. Let's talk about its specs. स्क्रीन के साइज पे अगर हम बात कर ले तो इसकी 5.5 टच स्क्रीन with 1280x 720p resolution, storage 32 GB internal memory, expandable micro SD card up to 2 TB. Battery time 3 to 7 hours depending on which games you're playing. Play mode only portable. The Switch Lite version is only portable. अगर इसकी साइज़ के बारे में हम बात करें तो 3.6 हाई 8.2 लॉन्ग के तो ये था द स्पेक्स ऑफ Nintendo Switch Lite की साइज़ के बारे में स्क्रीन स्टोरेज. So that was the video of unboxing Nintendo Switch Lite की. Do visit Naveed Games लोकेशन जो है नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मेंशन है. हमारी व्हाट्सएप नंबर, हमारी डिलीवरी भी अवेलेबल है ऑल ओवर पाकिस्तान. थैंक यू, टेक केयर, अल्लाह हाफिज़.